Right, so we're on the way to Raw Gym.
This is just an illusion that we're driving. Ever take the seat in?
You working them glutes, Carol, have you?
No,
staying in. Fuck up,
I'm
who fucking hell. Well, go on then!
You have to pass me. Hey, turn.
What?
What turn are you?
I just passed.
Yeah,
just past 13.
Okay, yeah, it's next one.
Fuck. Alright, so we're on our way to Raw Gym in where?
Sandyford.
Sandyford.
It's only new enough.
It's only new enough, and we're going to go in. We got some free passes. Yes.
Thanks to Carl Glynn.
Thanks to his mate.
Another car with a seat.
Very nice. So we're going to go and work deltoids, even though I already worked them this week. I'm going to work them again, because why? I'm a beast!
Delt Demolition.
So we're going to fucking hop off deltoids and have a bit of banter whilst and fucking crush it. Go ahead. No, put that in mine there. Sort me out there. I need to take this exit car.
Yeah. Get the left lane.
Get the left lane.
Very left.
Right. So just to say in this video as well, if you have any questions at all, send them on to irishgainz, 3 Z's, at gmail.com. And any questions at all, we got a few now, so it's pretty handy. That's pretty cool seeing all the support and feedback we're getting. So yeah, if you have any questions at all, send them on. Or anything you'd like to see or anything like that. We probably won't do it now, but we'll definitely have a read and a look. That some bitch went through a fucking...
Yeah, if you watch Air Force video, you do the same.
Wait, stop saying that shit.
No,
what are you doing?
It's a joke.
Yeah, well, it's a joke.
That's out.
Yeah, this. What's this pre-workout call again? You want to be getting paid for this shit? You madness. Worst pre-workout ever, but I got no red bull.
No, it's weird. Some shark. It's my favourite.
I'm gonna finish up this video now. We're about to go in and kill fucking shoulders, so we're gonna record this. And
what?
Yeah, that's gonna be the name. As you know already, because you clicked on the video. So
you know that before we did. We're only saying it now.
we're only actually saying it now, so you clicked on the video, actually knew that. Like,
We used to do that.
that's amazing. Hashtag Irish Gainz, hashtag good.
Yeah, get a few hashtags. I've been hashtag Irish Gainz.
Yeah, like great.
It's that hashtag that shit.
mortgage, finishing off, fuck the great shoulder workout. Get yourself down. Pure anger. Hey, anyway, so we just have to crush in shoulders, deltoids.
Delt Demolition.
Well, fucking front, back, and mid.
We come out to
in Raw Gym and
Sandyford.
And if you haven't been, I recommend because it's some fucking gym.
Good equipment. Good equipment. And
they have bumper plates and we never even fucking used them. Yeah, we're on the iron, boy.
You didn't need it. Pure iron. Clanging and banging, as the Rock would say. Up at 3 AM, clanging and banging, baby.
Anyway, I'm fairly fucked, are you?
Yeah, Delt's got a serious pump because I've been doing push-pull leg split, as you already probably know, for a while. So now I'm back to just isolating each body part for a few weeks now. So I felt. And
that's what I usually do. But it was good to come up and like change it up a little bit, do a bit of push-pull here and there, like. So I recommend if people don't, change your workout every now and again, like, you know, it'll help you in the long run, like. And I'm a ball of fucking sweat.
Yeah, same way, still sweating here, man. Don't catabolic here, I need food. It means your body's hard to eat away now.
I know, it means it, right? You fucking
Catabolics.
Anyway, fucking, it was good
Pokemon, go fuck yourself.
We recorded it all anyway, so it'll be all up. As you know, because this is the post-workout video, so I don't know why I'm even fucking saying that. But yeah.
So, just really quick, we did dumbbell press supersetting with, you'll see, I've seen Sean Roden doing them. It's like an alternative front press, but it's just more emphasis on your front delt.
Your front deltoid.
Then we did...
And it's fucking brilliant. Yeah. That's what it's some superset. If you want to get a pump on your front delt straight away and get a warm-up and sweat like a motherfucker, that's how you do it.
Sweat like Michael Jackson in the playground.
Fuck's sake. Oh, keep it clean.
Before he died, of course. But, and then we did lateral raises with dumbbells. A drop set then into isometric
You
holds.
been hit back. You been hit back. A smooth kind of that is a fucking...
An army coloured beamer.
He's a fucking tit driving.
Yeah, nice. Anyway, then we went on to frontal raises and we are turning it across above the chest. You'll see it just kind of isolates the front delt even more so. And then we went on to cable lateral raises. Then we went on to face pulls for rear delts.
Yeah.
Then seated shoulder press. I couldn't go too heavy on them because I have a little pinch in my shoulder, so I just went 15 each side. Which
is probably one of my favourite shoulder exercises, is seated shoulder press.
It's actually Ronnie Coleman's favourite for delts.
Yeah, and one of my favourites as well, Brian Warren. I know a lot of people don't like him, I know you don't like him. No. I love his intensity, I love his workouts and all that, and that's where I kind of got it from, like that.
I loved when he fell off the horse.
He fucking broke him up.
I'm not going to get injured.
It was actually like a rock, like, just bouncing, like.
Bounced off that ground. And then we did bent over reverse dumbbell flies. That's easy for you to say. And then we went into power shrugs and we went up to 220. So we did 140, 180, 220.
Personal best on shrugs is about 270.
We both did on the same day.
Yeah. So. And yeah, but we didn't go to failure today. But it was a long shoulder workout. Got everything done, felt the pump. So there was no need to go.
My favourite shoulder workout in a long time.
Yeah. So. And there was no need to go to failure on the shrugs. Like, I was feeling it, and I just did deadlifts yesterday, so
lateral
I was feeling on my lower back as well.
Lateral raises hit your...
Let me finish.
No,
right, finish.
Fucking mouth.
Fucking go now.
Lateral raises hit.
We're losing light.
Anyway, we're losing light here. We're going to turn into fucking werewolves.
Right, do you want to finish her up there, mate?
Yeah,
We're in the dark now.
Yeah, bye.
Right, it was a good workout. If you like this video,
Swear, stop
please
touching me,
subscribe.
Stop touching me. Come that way.
Say, hit a like, hit a comment. If you dislike, you fucking dislike it, and then we'll hunt you down and gut you like a fish, bitch.
Pokemon Go! Fuck
Get yourself some Gainz. Am I going this way? Yeah.
Irish Gainz. Oh, yeah.